Fanboys, fanboys, fanboys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's go on some adventures together. But today we're going to talk about fanboys. We're going to talk about fanboys in the Harley Davidson world and how they show up at meets and they don't talk about bikes anymore. They talk about which collector's edition Harley Davidson underwear they got. You see, Harley Davidson did it right. They realized a long time ago that they weren't going to keep selling bikes because everybody owns them. Selling them used, buying them used, it's all good. They hold their value, so why buy new? So they just switched into the underwear game. Underwear, pillowcases, socks, seat covers, steering wheel covers, stickers for your truck, stickers for your garage, stickers for your bathroom. Because let's be real, who doesn't want to pinch a loaf while checking out the bar and shield? If I didn't have the most beautiful Harley ever made with this subtle hints and touches of being a Harley Davidson, I would debadge my bike. But you can't debadge your underwear, can you? I guess it must help when you don't love your partner. Makes it easier. Harley Davidson pillowcases. Put a Harley Davidson sign on the roof. Put a Harley Davidson TV in the bedroom. All is well. Everything says Harley Davidson. You got something you like looking at. But I'm here to tell you, it doesn't have to be this way. Just enjoy your damn bike.